Can I pass?
No, you think all men are consistent?
No.
I don't think so. Do we have to explain why?
Yes.
Because
I haven't met one.
oh, you haven't met one.
Really? Yeah.
So your boyfriend is not consistent.
Yes. I haven't explored.
Yeah.
Yes. I think you need to explore more. That's positive or negative? Explore more with DJ. That's so fun. No, I mean, I don't want to say that you should break up with him and explore with different men. But it is also, but in order for negative or positive, the inconsistent
Should experience.
No, I think
so that you can.
there are times that your man is inconsistent,
But
but
I don't like that's
it,
not a
it
pass.
will vary in the bawi that he will give to you.
What if true? It's always the bawi. Because the
Because
bawi.
that's being consistent.
Yes, consistent.
I have a question to you.
Yes, what is it?
Mayamang kaibigan,
Hindi, kunyari, hindi ka
kapampangan na dati sa
hindi ka na ano
tuwang ni
ngayon.
Dr. Rosa Rizal
Ganyan na
sa
sa mga ngayon,
pagtatama.
babawi siya next time.
In English, translate.
Sagutin mo kahit mali.
Translate in English.
Sagutin mo kahit mali.
I will come.
Come up to you. Oo, tama.
Wala akong nanonood eh.
I don't think so. Men are not consistent.
Why?
Because sometimes they get tired. So they can't give them all what you want to receive. Yeah, yeah, that's okay.
Personally,
Yeah.
and there's no person in a relationship, and relationship is about reciprocation.
Yeah.
Like it's up to you if you're going to address it with your partner or you tell it and say it to your friends that he's like this, he's like that, I hate him like that. It's something that if we will embrace the imperfection of people.
Yeah.
We cannot
And relationship are 50-50. If it's not in the mood, you should be the one. Yeah.
90%
Kayla! Ito rin daw ba yung sinasagutan niya?
If they can't give his full potential right now,
Nasaan na ba yung
Ayun na, naman na road!
if he can't give his full potential, then you will give it. And if you're not feeling it,
Ay, hina ako din.
so